It's your boy Junior.
It's your girl Desire.
It's your girl Maya.
The little right there, mommy behind the camera.
Ish. And today we're going to be making slime. So the first thing we need is our glue. Let me put the glue in first.
And first is glue.
Not a lot for you. Not putting a lot.
So let's get started.
Okay, now let's put some shaving cream in. How much of shaving cream you want us to put in? How much of glue you like?
And let's mix.
Wait, we gotta put the lotion in. We doing this wrong. I don't care.
We need the game powder.
Alright, give us that game powder.
And now give it.
Wait, we don't miss it yet. We gotta put all our ingredients in.
No glue.
Hold up, we'll be back. I'm going to get the powder.
First. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
And
now we're gonna mix it. Let's mix. Wait, I need a little bit more. Please work. Hey, you used a lot of glue.
And now we need water.
We need some water.
She's telling me. Let me go get some water. Oh, mommy, get the water. Mommy, can I get
No more game powder, no more.
Mommy, can I get?
Put some.
We need
Grab
like
the
the
water.
foamy shaving cream.
And save my son.
This is
That's enough. Mine
See,
is
you
enough.
gotta rub it in.
And now let's mix good. Mix.
This is hard. And kind of.
And now it's kind of fun.
Let me wash my hands.
Let me put a little bit more shaving cream.
Okay.
Huh? Give me 10 minutes.
Yeah.
This is just.
Now we need more.
No more water. This is enough for water.
Okay. Now,
This Westie Brownie Family just.
a Rice Brownie Family. This is so hard.
Tell us if y'all made slime before Westie Brownie Family.
Rice Brownie
There's a tissue.
And you need to use
No,
this.
that's too much of products wasted. Well, it's really not.
Rice
We
Brownie.
just need this to turn. Alright, let's put the green in.
Yeah.
We got green and red because we
Yeah.
traded with Maya for the blue. Let's put the green
Do it look like slime?
Yeah.
No.
Let us see. So this is what the slime looking like, you guys. For Junior and for Maya. Yeah, well, y'all ain't telling me exactly all the products, the correct products that I needed. So I just brought what I seen in the store.
No, Jaleel.
in. He put it in on.
And it feels foamy.
Whoa.
It's red.
It's red.
I need a toilet tissue now.
Put some more in. My hands are red like blood. Not on a knife. Wait. Alright, now let's put green in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just, yeah.
Please open this.
Just pull it.
Turn, open it.
I know how to open it. Yeah.
Again, you gotta make it. Let me go wash. What does this look like to you?
Mine's red.
Sure it is.
Yours look like slime, Junior?
No.
It's kind of phony.
Maya, open it. Here you go. And do it like this. Here, Maya, here's the top.
Try to add this stuff in there and see if it's gonna come out correctly. This ain't the first time we made slime. We made slime at the old house.
Yes, we did.
So what was all the products we had at the old house?
Shaving cream.
Well, we actually had the correct stuff at the old house.
Glue.
See, I just picked up what I seen in the store, and Walmart did not have no
Hey,
a
Joe,
lot of stuff in
can I-
there. See, that's why I go to the ghetto Walmart. Cause the ghetto Walmart, they keep their stuff, they keep their product stocked. This one right here, the little classy Walmart we went
Oh,
to,
no.
they ain't really have much.
Look at mine.
Get that from him before he try to drink that.
Mommy, look. My head is little like
What's
this.
ours?
Meanwhile, Josiah over here making a mess, playing in food coloring. Y'all comment down below if y'all ever made slime before. This is not our first time making
And
it.
I see
I should
little
just
bit.
I should just went to the ghetto Walmart to get the correct products.
But it was gonna rain on us probably.
Probably.
Yeah.
It has been a rainy week, Westie Brownie Family. What area y'all in? Comment down below y'all area, like not like y'all exact location, but the area you're in. Like we're in Volusia County. Where y'all at? Oh my goodness, Julian, how did your hands turn black?
Cause my slime is black. Bro, get my slime.
Oh my goodness. That's a whole mess.
Bro.
That look like Chucky when he got burned. Let me see. Let me zoom in on it. Hold it up, Julian. Oh my goodness. At this point, y'all just made a mess.
So?
Yeah. Yeah.
Move me.
Look like caviar.
It's just
No way.
Okay.
Okay, Rice
You made
Krispie.
slime.
We'll be
Kinda.
right back.
I'll be
Ish.
right back. Rice
Slime.
Krispie.
Not
Okay, this is what it came out looking like. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of dark.
And then I was excited when you had said we were gonna make slime, but it turned out like this. Big disaster.
Y'all can tell from my hands. But that's the end of our video. See you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us what your favorite part was. And that's the end of our video, Westie Brownie Family. Bye.